So, what's up everybody? We're here in Hollywood, California. Earlier we did a live at the cemetery, and now we are at the Torture Museum. So if you're up here or you're visiting, make sure you check them out.
Are you going to do that?
I'm not doing that now.
For the ghost, it tells you how they would torture.
Yeah, so say what's up.
What's up?
With Joey and Johnny.
Hi.
Our first room we walk into is some kind of room that tells you little stories, like this cage. Imprisonment cage. Beginning in ancient times, this form of torture spread all over the world during the Middle Ages. Most
Gambler. Punished for gambling.
Well, this dude got punished for gambling because you're not supposed to, I guess, back in the day. And look at him, poor dude. Oh man. Damn. What happened to him?
Gambling.
Yeah, but what did they do to him? So don't fuck around and don't find out. And this, I don't know what this little dude is. This guy, Strapato ladder. The Strapato ladder is a device that was introduced by an unknown German executioner at the beginning of the 18th century. The painful pressure of the cross beams on the back occurs through the stretching. It was used for interrogation in Austria, the Czech Republic, and Hungary. I probably spelled that fucking wrong, but whatever, that's fucked up. Shit right here. This is a, I'm gonna pause and read what this is. Go right ahead. Damn, look, they put your feet in that shit. Oh man, it's horrible. Jesus. And from what I heard, this really happened in back in the day. And this little table. You want to pause and read it? Go ahead. Damn. Put your ass on that table. Look at the damn needles in this shit. Holy but Jesus. I think these are real. Some of these are real or replicas of what happened. And then this one here, what they do here. You want to find the bathroom and then come back? Or you want us to wait?
Yeah, but it goes farther down, so I don't know how far I should go.
Yeah, well, we're going to work our way over there anyway. Look at the ass. And then this, you pull the string. Hold it. There's a fire underneath. They burn his ass away. Damn. Like a Freddy Cougar. It's crazy. They barbecue you. They barbecue your ass. Oh my goodness. What is this one in here? This one's kind of dark to see. Hold on. I don't know what this one is. It says torture with water funnel. Oh, jeez. I'll pause it and read it if you like. And that was the table that you're just looking at. What is this one? Fork of the Heretic. Go ahead and pause it and read it. you like. And this one.
Oh, it's for lying. Sometimes the victim will try to commit suicide by leaning forward. However, the length of the form is calculated to the millimeter. So even with a sharp thrust forward, the victim could not kill himself. Oh. Shit, that's crazy. Even if they wanted to commit suicide, they couldn't.
They were just stuck like that?
And they left it like that. It's just as pretty much for lying. European Inquisition. I mean, his guilt and renounce yourself. Sometimes the victim will try to commit suicide by leaning forward.
Wow.
But they couldn't because of the way it was made.
Pause it if you like again. And that one is this one. This one's just getting whipped. It's fucked up. Like fucking back in the day?
Chair.
Back in the day? Hell no. Oh, look at this bitch.
Alright,
She brought a light because this is freaking dark. And this is what they did in this one. Give me a flashlight. Chair of inquiries. This is real shit, dude. You know that? This is what they used to do to people back in the day. Go ahead and sit in there. Go ahead and sit in there.
You can.
Oh, they used to light a fire under the seats.
Oh look, there's even a hole for them to go to the bathroom. Holy shit.
It said they lit a fire under the seat. Rather be inhaled?
This one?
This one. Whatever that is, they stick a...
They lit a fire to see. Damn.
Look, the picture.
Your chest.
Shit. This is crazy.
You read that at the time?
This one here.
I think I read that.
Look at this. What is this one?
Oh, this is cool. Yeah.
The throne.
This is where they get this game.
Says this was used by inquisitors of the late Middle Ages to interrogate criminals. Curious fact, the legislation. Okay, you guys read it if you want. Damn, I hope my battery fucking lasts. New chair. The electric chair. Shine your flashlight because I can't see, it's dark. On your phone. Crazy. Look at this one. I guess you starved to death. Some of these are super dark, you can't even see. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's a skeleton. I'm starved to death. See a sign for him, but that's... Oh shit, look at this one. They got fucked up. Damn, they got fucking pierced with a freaking spear. Damn. Fucked up. This one is creepy. This one, can you imagine it cutting your insides like a fucking scary movie? Huh. You're laying there, you're tied down, and they're like, the saw just drops further and further until your insides fall out. Shit. It's crazy. That's what they need for pedophiles and shit. That's exactly what they need for pedophiles. Can you touch it? There's a string down there. Oh. John, lay in the middle. It's inactive. Damn. No, thank you. Oh, this one's tortured by rats. What the hell? Look at this shit, you guys. Tortured by rats. I can only post so many pictures, so don't take too many. Yeah, but I'm not. Damn, they fucking cage the rats and they get so hungry and they just have no choice but to eat away at the person. Damn. Yeah, into them, that's what I said. Oh shit, look at this one. Damn.
Oh, it's skinny.
Hanging. This torture spread all over the world from ancient times to in the Middle Ages. Hanging was performed in various ways, hanging by the limbs, passing ropes through the wounds on various parts of the body, and even piercing the ribs or the genitals with a hook. Ow. In modern times, some countries that do not comply with the Geneva Convention's ban on torture will subject prisoners to hanging. Jesus. Damn, look at that. That's fucking crazy. So they say that this place is haunted because, you know, some of it is legit from, which they say some of this stuff is haunted because some of it's real, like from back in the day. I don't know. That's what they say. John, put your butthole on that. Let me pick you up, put your butthole on that. See the UNC, you gotta read that shit. Yeah, I gotta go closer. This is the anchor. That's crazy. Oh god, he looks like he's fucking legit looking. Oh shit, he looks like he's fucking legit looking at you. Oh crap.
Look at the lady.
I will, hold on. Damn. Oh, look at this fucking thing. Can you imagine being pierced? They pick your ass up and fucking put your whole body on there? Oh my goodness. What is this? This is a stork. Whatever the fuck that is. Let's see what this is. The first mention of the stork is found in the book Italian Chronicles by Stendhal. It was actively used by European jailers for torture. The prisoner chained to the stork had to sit for hours and hours in twisted position. This brought pain and cramps in the muscle. The flute of shame. That's the flute of shame. And this is the violin of gossipers. Go ahead, put your face in there.
Let me smack you with this hammer.
Put your face in there.
Put your face in there.
Hey, put your head in there. Go ahead. Just put your fucking
Yeah,
head in there.
let me swing the mallet at you.
Oh, so you put your head in there and they pick it up and...
Yeah, they go.
Yeah. And then your head falls off?
No?
Yeah, it's a manual guillotine.
That's a manual what? Beheading?
Wait.
Guillotine.
Yeah.
But if they use a sword, it chops off that hammer, just probably crushes it.
No. The executioner would hit a heavy wooden wedge placed on the back of the neck with a large hammer again and again. The sharp side of the wedge would tear the flesh and crush
Oh
the
my
vertebrae.
lord.
They say it would crush it. Look at the sword.
I mean, in most cases they use swords, but before they use the fucking hammer.
Where's the sword? I don't see no sword. They don't have a sword these days. Well, in some places, probably some parts of the world they did, but you would drop the floors. Everybody knows what this is. Gallows and white flurry. This is the pillory.
I wonder how they do this.
Huh?
Huh? It says it right there. Double violin.
Yeah, but it doesn't. I want to see a picture.
Shit, her shoe fucking looks real as hell. Look
It
at that.
says it was used to punish 2 women.
Take a
Forced to
picture.
sit on
Take a picture of her
opposite sides
face.
of
Get a close up of her face.
opposites.
So like they probably put their head here. Hand, head.
And then what?
And forced to be stuck with each other.
Forced to sit opposite of each other for hours. The squabblers often managed to continue the argument at first, but after a while they got tired and quieted down. I guess if they argued? Oh wow.
Oh, mom, what is this?
Huh. Wait, hold on.
Terror.
The breast terror?
Yeah,
The hell?
their boobs.
It's like a giant bathtub, but they fucking put fire.
Tear off their boobs.
Well, they boil with somebody's ass. What they do is they... Boiling conjuring, the first mention of the execution refers to ancient Egypt. Boiling alive was mainly to punish those disobedience to the pharaoh. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Sometimes entire families were executed in the cauldron. The historical records that show, I'm not going to pronounce that, I don't even know, you guys can read this. His enemies in the fashion immediately attacked Japan. He was probably for ninjas who were captured. Jeez. That's a cauldron. I just seen somebody help. Okay, that's crazy. This is the booby terror?
Yeah.
This is the booby terror.
Why are you getting scared?
Oh wow. Performing an abortion. Jeez. It's rough. What is this one? This one I don't know. Turn your flashlight because I can't see. How's that? Damn, he's fucked up in there. This is a fucking compressor.
The cradle of Judah. Oh, they suspend you in the air.
Damn, that's a fuck. Can you imagine? That's fucking torture. Jeez. That's crazy. And a cave. This is like a cave.
Used it to prevent the victim from falling asleep.
Jesus. This shit is no joke back in the day.
Ooh! Look at that saw.
Huh? What's all? Oh shit.
Picture.
Let me go here. This is a what?
Here.
Oh, they lock you in a box?
No, they decapitate you.
Oh shit! Damn.
And they put you in a box.
Cut you in a fucking. People still do that, you know what?
Yeah.
Crazy ass motherfuckers.
I just want to go.
Yeah, the guillotine.
Chest with body parts.
You know,
Did you see it?
you know, in some situations the guillotine didn't work. Yes.
Go closer.
I think it's good to show you when
Somebody did it. Somebody did it.
Yeah, can this thing work?
He fucking looks real as hell. If he fucking moves, I'm gonna fucking scream.
Okay.
Turn your flashlight so we can see his eyeballs. Look at this saw.
That thing's good to show.
He's little though. He's pretty fucking little. Look how spooky he is. I felt like his eyeball is like literally staring at me. He's creepy. Oh shit, look at him. Oh. Look at that saw though, you guys. That's crazy. This one, what is the story to this one? I don't know what the story is to this one. Where's the story? What did they do to this one? Oh, this is the one they behead you.
You know, in some stories, or in some things,
Pick it up. Pull it.
it doesn't work. It's not connected. Anyways, sometimes this thing wouldn't work. The guillotine wouldn't work, so they would have to drop it again and again and again until your head popped off.
Oh gosh. It's horrible.
Yeah, because if they didn't drop it successfully at a certain speed of velocity, it wouldn't kill you. You'd get injured.
Did you know like chickens and stuff?
Yeah, they could still run around with it.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? Look at this, they burn your ass again. Do they like the burning? These people like burning. This burning people is a big thing.
Oh, maybe, Mom, this one is probably drowning alive.
Hold on. I don't know if I can get that so you guys can see it. Huh?
Coffin torture. The most preferred torture technique in the midlife is known as coffin torture.
This method would involve placing the victims inside a cage roughly the size of a human body.
But I think this...
And then what? They just die?
I think this one, because it looks like it has a rope, so I think they would drop you in the water and just kill you that way.
No, I think they just hang you and you starve to death or something. I don't know. Look at this dude. He's face down. Oh, can you imagine? Sick ass people. There's... Oh shit, look at this one.
It's called breaking the wheel.
That's fucking horrible. There's a box of bodies. Dave. I'd love to investigate this place. So I think some of it is real. We gotta ask somebody who knows. But I think some of this stuff is real.
Not some, all of it.
No, I think some of it are replicas because I kind of get the actual thing, but I think some of it is real. That's why they say it's haunted.
All the
Because
equipment?
yeah, some of these things are actual real stuff that happened back in the day.
You mean the equipment that they have?
This stuff, yeah. I don't know which ones are real, which ones are not. I wish I could tell you. Yeah, just ask them. That's why they say it's haunted, because sometimes spirits are attached to...
Oh my god.
They say it's haunted because they say spirits can attach to objects. Just like the dolls, though. Like our dolls.
Really? No, it's your neck. You wanna go push your neck.
It's lighting though, you guys. There's everything. Let me stop them up fucking... I looked like a mess earlier in my life. Here I am trying to fucking admire myself. You know, when you have good lighting, you have to admire yourself. Anyway, do you believe that? We gotta ask him, like, which ones are real and which ones are not. me go back over here. It's crazy, it's scary. Like this dude with the red hat. He's creepy. Little ninja dude. He's a little creepy. And this dude. I don't know if you can see. But yeah. No. Why you do? Yeah, no. This is something. Decapitation, sword, and axe. I don't know, this could be a replica, or this could be real, who knows? If it's real, can you imagine the flesh? Maybe still on there? Spear. This, no idea what this is. That's what it would look like back in the day. I'm so sorry if there's any spirits or and these devices were used against you. This is horrible. It's horrible, horrible, horrible. Yeah, you guys can't see it. Some places are darker than others. Cervical traps, what the hell? Jesus. Hold on. Which way? That way? Hold on. Do we go down and then up or this way
it's
down?
this way. Dude, look at this next one right here.
Okay, hold on.
Holy crap. This one's fucking sweet.
Stalks.
Wait, check this one out. This one. Dude, oh my god, that's fucked up.
This one?
Look at it.
Oh my Lord Jesus. Look at his eyeballs. Burning of the eyes. Good God.
Oh, the iron.
What are these spear looking things?
These are
What
pipes.
the hell is this?
These are hot pipes. It's where the heat would come out and it would burn you.
Oh God, look at him. He's just raking his ass like fucking leaves. Holy shit.
Around the table of torture.
It's a table of torture. Can you imagine?
Let me brand you.
Where's the info for this one? What is in there? And they put you in there when they're done?
Yeah.
If you die?
What are you doing?
It's a cremator?
No, they would heat up the shit and scratch you with it.
Good God. Ouch.
That's what that
Oh,
button
this is a...
These are branding tools.
You would brand your ass.
There's more behind you too.
Jeez. Mask of shame. They would label the wearer of such human vices and gossiping, eavesdropping, gluttony, or The most calming mouse. Used to calm down angry and scandalous men and women accused of being gossips. Oh, damn. Don't gossip, y'all. They're gonna use one of these fucking things on your face. Look at that one. What the hell? Wow. Look at this. What the hell? And they made you embarrassed. They made sure they make you embarrassed. Look at that. It's crazy. This is fucking hot.
Where you go? This way. Through the elevator. Or no?
What is this? Tortured by snake. Oh god, tortured by snakes. They put you in this basket. Wow.
Oh, that way.
Snakes in there. It's crazy. Mm-mm. There's that wheel again. Again, gossipers. They didn't like gossipers back in the day. That's for sure. What is this shit? Oh, they would dunk you in water? Dunk your head in water? What the fuck is this? Witch badge. Oh, witch bathing if you're a witch. And this dude has like a... Oh shit, they took out his tongue. What the fuck? That's his tongue, you guys. Holy crap. Colombian necktie. This method of killing is primary practice like drug cartels. It was used during the Colombian Civil War of 1948-1958. Hence its name. There is a common misconception that this method of killing was invented by Pablo Escobar. The execution is also called Mexican necktie. And then etc, etc, etc. Cutting neckties is used. And then I don't know what the fuck this is. Here. That's crazy. The flashlight. I don't know, you guys can see that up there. I don't know what's up there, but there's definitely somebody hanging. Here, John, these are chastity. Now when you cheat on your husband, they put you in the shit. Oh shit, why is that moving? You guys, hey, it started swinging. As soon as I walk by it. Look, come here. Yo. Motherfuckers don't even listen. This shit is moving right here. That thing is swinging and I don't know why. No idea why it's swinging. But none of them are swinging except that one there. Hey, yo! I should have brought my fucking ghost equipment, huh? We should have brought our ghost equipment. Look at this swinging. This is the only one moving. None of them are moving except that one. It looks like it goes over your breast. None of them are swinging except that one. Look at the penis one. That's the penis one. If you have infidelity, they put you in that. Oh God, look at the one with teeth. Thank you, Jesus. I feel like it's still swinging. I don't know why. Is there air?
Right there.
No. There's no air. Phil, because I'm not crazy. Phil, there's no air.
Come right there.
Phil back there, though, you don't feel it. I don't feel air.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Maybe that's part of the real stuff. That shit looks like it hurts. Squished his head and his hands. How's that? I feel like there's something on my neck, like, damn, put him in a little bucket. I'm claustrophobic, I can't. Oh, shit, with bugs. Tortured by insects. And some of these people have, back in the day, they have sick ass minds to be able to come up with this shit. Yeah?
You can sit on that for 8 hours.
Fuck that.
But with weights tied to your feet.
You would have no balls left.
I did it to men around.
You have no fucking balls left.
The lady confessed after 3 hours when they made her sit for 8.
Shit.
Look at this. This prevents you from masturbating.
Oh my God. What? This tool was used by inquisitors and jailers in medieval Europe and Asia. Used to violently penetrate the vagina, it would cause tearing, internal bleeding, and rupturing of it. Fucking happens now with fucking sick ass people. Just different items. Iron Reaper. It says to be inserted into the orifice and then open one deeply. Shit, crazy. Oh, it's this one here.
That here?
John likes the hands-on. Used for torture and interrogation in Europe during the late Middle Ages. This boot had screws that would be tightened to break bones of the feet one by one. And popular among both French and British. Jesus Christ, no way. Can you imagine? I think I'd want to die before that happened. There's no way. Shackles with weights. This was used to limit the mobility of prisoners in prisons, mines, galleys, blah blah. Burn a witch. If you thought you were a witch, your ass would be burned at the stake. Look at the scary movies.
I don't think this is.
Oh damn, the song. The hell? He's taking his tongue out.
Most of my arms are like that guy's right there.
I don't know. Knee crusher, a kind of vice that is used to crush joints in medieval presence. Good God. This is horrible. Cutting off the tongue, I think this is it. Right here. Cutting off the tongue. are the tools they would use to cut them off. Shit.
This form of execution is its name is long-term on either side of the spine. It's spread like wings of a bird.
Pick that up.
This Orbis map service three tasks: the execution itself, the imitation of enemies, intimidation of enemies, and the bloody sacrifice to the living.
Hold on, you're taking too long. Damn, you see the ribs poking out? Face all fucked up. Oh shit. So this execution by pressing has been known since the ancient times. The convict is placed between two heavy loads or beneath a heavy load, and the victim is crushed by extreme force. Often the pressed are additionally equipped with sharp spikes, nails, hooks for greater damage. Various modifications of the press served as an instrument of execution in ancient Asia, Africa, and the Roman Empire. Crushing execution was still practiced in the 19th century. Oh, Lord Jesus. Go in there.
Tell John to go in there.
Here, hold on, go in there.
You can't. The spikes in there.
I'll try.
The spikes on the door.
It's alright, just go.
No.
Oh God, look at this one. He's like,
No, look at that one.
this is fucking serious. This shit is serious, man.
That's just an uncomfortable spot. That's
No, imagine being here for hours. That's not uncomfortable. And then your body is just so stiff when it comes. Oh, look.
Look at that.
What? Does it turn?
No, it doesn't. See, you got...
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Hey, come here.
Damn, ripped him
Where's
open.
Stannis?
God, Lord.
Stand up. I want to see if you're a witch.
Hold on.
Stop. Here. Stand on this. I want to see what comes. Come on.
This one
Stand on.
is the Bloody Eagle. This method of execution was originally used by Scandinavian warriors in the early Middle Ages. This form of execution got its name because the lungs would be pulled out of the back on either side of the spine and spread out like wings of a bird. God. No. I was like, can I please?
Huh?
Let me finish recording. I'm going through everything. Remember, I'm recording or not. Can you, give me some light? So I can see this. Where's the... Oh, there was this. Babe, I can't see. I'm not putting it where I need it. Put it in. And then I close it. Sure. Oh, God. Battery's draining, but hurry up. Shit. How many more rooms? Because this shit is running. Is that there's nothing else? Oh, then go up. Look at that sword.